Uy mga kapatid, teka lang. Alam niyo ba yung story ng babaeng walang tigil sa pagdudugo for 12 years? 12 years. Well, the Bible doesn't give us a medical diagnosis, but based on the description, it was a chronic vaginal bleeding or abnormal uterine bleeding. Pero biruin niyo mga kapatid, 12 years siyang nagdurusa, 12 years siyang naghihirap, nagtitiis, disappointment. She tried everything. Naubos na yung pera niya sa kakapagamot, naubos na yung lakas niya, pero nothing happened. For sure, maraming beses siyang umiyak. For sure, maraming beses siyang sinabi niya sa sarili niya na hanggang kailan kaya ako ganito. But mga kapatid, what the amazing part is, kahit sa pinakahirap ng part ng buhay niya, hindi nawala ang kanyang pananampalataya. Nung nakita niyang dumaan si Jesus, sabi niya sa sarili niya, "If I just touch the hem of His garment, I will be healed." Hindi niya sinabi kapag pinansin ako ni Jesus, hindi niya sinabi kapag tinawag ako ni Jesus, but instead, sinabi niya, "If I just touch Jesus, I will be healed." Kahit yung katawan niya mga kapatid, sobra nang hina, pero deep inside, yung pananampalataya niya ay umaapoy na ito ay nagbibigay sa kanya ng lakas para lumapit kay Jesus. And the moment she touched Jesus, she was healed. Just only for one touch mga kapatid, everything changed. This story is not about healing. It's about faith that refused to give up. Marami sa atin ngayon having issue of blood. Hindi physical, but maybe sugat sa puso, sugat sa isip, sugat sa relasyon, or bleeding sa ating pananampalataya. Minsan pakiramdam natin wala nang nakakaintindi sa atin. Minsan naisip natin na wala na sigurong mangyayaring mabuti. But listen to this, hanggat kaya mo pang lumapit kay Jesus, your story is not yet end. Hindi pa tapos yung story mo. You may feel weak, but faith doesn't depend on strength. You may feel unworthy, but grace is not earned. You may feel hopeless, but Jesus is still powerful. Hindi mo kailangan ng mahabang prayer. Hindi natin kailangan ng perfect life. Ang kailangan lang natin ay isang hakbang ng pananampalataya. Mga kapatid, Jesus is still passing by. And just like that woman, if we choose to come Him, if we choose to reach out, if we choose to believe Him, if we choose to trust in Him, healing can still be happen. Restoration can still be happen. Miracle can still be happen. So mga kapatid, whatever you are doing through today, come to Jesus, touch Him with faith, and trust Him. Even the hardest of our life, Jesus is still able. And always remember, Jesus loves you, and I love you too.